Warm welcome to all of you on this GATE preparation tutorials. This is tutorial number 7 and in previous 6 tutorials we have studied in 5 tutorials quantitative section and some basics about GATE, and in 6th tutorial we studied some analogies. Now in this 7th tutorial we are going to study analytical portion. My name is Khalilullah and I have done business administration in finance from Guwahati University of Science and Technology, Pakistan. So, in outline for this tutorial, as we have to study the analytical portion, we will be solving one question which will be related to analytical, and which will give you a deep concept of how to attempt these questions. So here is my question. They are saying that a bus has exactly 6 stops on its route. The bus first stops at stop 1, and then it stops 2nd and 3rd and 4th and 5th and 6th. At every stop it has to stop. After the bus leaves stop 6, the bus turns and returns to the stop 1 like the way it went to the stop 6. The stops are at 6 buildings and each building has its own name, L, M, N, O, P, Q. These are the conditions. Now, after you have studied this question, these are the questions for this paragraph. Now, these are some conditions that P as the 3rd stop, M as 6th stop, and the stop O as stop immediately before Q, N as the stop immediately before R. So, it could be like there are some conditions. These are your conditions that P as 3rd stop and M as 6th one and O is stop immediately before Q. So O, Q will be like this. Q will be always after O, and N is before L, so it will be like this. These are your conditions. Now you have to solve this question. That in case, before solving this question, you have to make this diagram. One, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, if we solve this according to conditions, P will always be your 3rd and M will always be 6th. Okay? Now, study this question. In case N is 4th stop, so N here, it is your first question. Which among the following must be stopped immediately before P? So, if you see this condition, this N is always before L. So, we will write here L, and this will be O, this will be Q, because we are left with this and we have to write in this way. So according to the question, that in case N is 4 stop, immediately before P, which stop is? So answer is Q. Now in this question, in case L is the 2nd stop, L is 2nd stop, which among the following must be the stop immediately before M? So according to the condition of NL, N will come here because it will be before L, and here we will write in 4th and 5th O, Q. So in case L is the 2nd stop, which among the following must be stopped immediately before M? So here is also the answer Q. This is your 3rd question. In case a passenger gets on bus at O, rides past off and stops at gets off at P. So he is just getting off at this point. He rides at O, and after passing one stop, he gets off at P. So this stop he has passed and he gets off at this point. So here we will write Q according to this condition, and we are left with here in this portion we will write N and L. So rides past stop and gets off at P. Which of the following must be true? So this is your right arrangement. So this was just basic questions of analytical, and I showed how you would solve this by making a diagram. But before this, you have to write all the conditions and you have to fill this according to this condition. Thank you so much. I hope that you have understood this analytical portion first question. If you're really interested and you are getting knowledge, then you have to watch tutorial 8 and so on. If you have any query, you can just send me your query at my email address or my WhatsApp number. Thank you so much.